Schneider Electric is a worldwide leader in energy management and industry automation. Our mission is to empower all to make the most of our energy and resources, bridging progress and sustainability for all. For this very specific project, we wanted to address the 690-volt switchboards for oil and gas, railways, and marine projects. Typically, our customers face high space limitations and constraints. HP metal jet technology enables us to reduce gas, pressure, and heat impact in a more limited space. As a result, we have been able to achieve a more efficient and sustainable product and a reduction of the switchboard footprint by 20%, which are unique competitive advantages.
We first designed it and made it for conventional manufacturing processes, which showed some limitations in terms of performance. Together with SP's team, we've designed effective filters and validated the prototypes. We industrialized the filters with GKN and finalized the design for manufacturing together. And as a result, we managed to lower the cost significantly compared to other solutions. The benefits I see with HP technology are the process robustness, the high machine productivity, and the surface finish.
I'm Diego Laurent, and I'm the CEO of GKN Powder Metallurgy. GKN Powder Metallurgy is the world's #1 provider in metal powder parts and #2 of metal powder.
We've been partnering with HP for more than 4 years and even longer in plastics. Thanks to GKN's filtering know-how and Schneider Electric's as well as HP's support, we came up with this unique and innovative design, fulfilling all requirements on processability, quality, and functionality. HP's metal jet technology has proven to be the only AM technology to achieve part cost targets through production efficiency. HP metal jet technology is ideally placed in the paradigm of production speed and detail resolution to solve the commercial and technical requirements to make this application a success.
At GKN, we currently have HP printers running in serial production in 2 plants, running in an industrial environment, and they are integrated into our GKN quality systems.
Thanks to HP's metal jet technology, our customers can create innovative new solutions within a dynamic and agile environment and achieve reduced time to market, as we have demonstrated with Schneider Electric, where we delivered parts in weeks. HP Metal Jet has proved to be the first real metal AM solution for medium to larger quantities.
We have launched our new solution in April 2021, and we have already won a number of big projects.
HP's metal jet technology are now considered as real options for serial part manufacturing. We plan to leverage HP's metal jet technology across Schneider Electric lines of business to bring new added value to our products and to our customers.
With the high production rates of HP's metal jet technology, the entry barrier to enable serial production can be significantly reduced. We see metal binder jetting as a key growth driver for our metal additive manufacturing division. Now, with HP Metal Jet S100 printing solution, we can say additive has the possibility to enter into serial production markets.